You guys, literally nothing beats this fresh morning air. First things first, grabbing my brush because we need those pearly whites shining. It is all about the rhythm. Honestly, even brushing feels like a total vibe here.
Now we are heading out back to my literal favorite spot in the world.
Check out this view. Okay, now for the best part, natural spring water. Nothing beats ice cold water on your face to really wake up the soul. A quick try off and a little grooming and we are so good to go.